connect your phone to a Sony TV, start by ensuring both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If your Sony TV supports built-in Chromecast or AirPlay, you can easily mirror your phone's screen wirelessly. Android users can go to Settings, then Connected Devices, then Cast, then select the TV, while iPhone users can access the Control Center. Tap on Screen Mirroring and choose their Sony TV. If your TV doesn't support these features, you can use the Sony TV Side View app or the Google Home app for easy connectivity and control. Another option is using an HDMI adapter or a USB-C to HDMI cable for a stable wired connection. Simply plug one end into your phone and the other into the HDMI port of your TV, then switch the TV's input source to HDMI. This method is useful for lag-free gaming or high-quality video streaming. If you're casting from apps like YouTube or Netflix, look for the Cast or AirPlay icon within the app, tap it, and select your Sony TV. Once connected, you can enjoy movies, games, and photos on a bigger screen, making your viewing experience more immersive and convenient.